When I started this channel, I honestly thought people would start watching my video after maybe 4 or 5 uploads. But here we are. This is my 7th video, and look, this video isn't about my analytics and it's not a tutorial on how to grow on YouTube, and I'm not here to brag about anything I've done so far. This video is just about the real growth. When I started, I told myself, okay, my first 2 or 3 videos will get 0 views, but after that people will start clicking. And I know a lot of you think exact same way. But let's be honest, it's just not true. I've already uploaded 6 long videos and 6 shorts on this channel. I don't want to bore you by going through my dashboard line by line, so just look at this screenshot on the screen right now. You spend hour making a single video, and when you check the view and see a 0, it sucks, it really hurts. Sometimes you get a little bit of luck like these 2 videos of mine. My 4th long video got 9 views and my 4th short got 104 views. But when I looked at the average view duration, man, that hurt even worse. They barely watch any of it. But like I said, I'm not here to complain about my metrics. I'm here to tell you one basic truth about YouTube. Actually, it's not even about YouTube. It's about your life. It's about your career. There are so many people struggling out there right now trying absolutely everything to find success. But please remember this one line for the rest of your life. There's no shortcut in life. If you try to take a shortcut, you still end up having to go the long way around. Stop wasting your time looking for a cheat code. I wasted 5 to 6 years of my life trying to find shortcuts. I tried building YouTube channels using free AI tools and low effort content, and guess what? After all those years, I'm sitting right here in front of you with 0 subscribers and a couple of views. If I had just done things the right way on my very first channel, I wouldn't have wasted all those years. If you can understand this right now, you save yourself a lot of time. Sometimes when I'm sitting alone, I think about the day I'll finally be successful, and inshallah, I will get there. I always picture the video I'll make or the speech I'll give, and I will tell everyone, there's no shortcut in life. Think about it. Even if you get success right now, what are people gonna say?
Oh, he just got lucky.
He became a success overnight.
They don't know the real pain. And honestly, even if I ask you to describe your pain right now while you are struggling, you probably couldn't put into words. Only you know what you went through to get here. So how can you look at creators who upload one video and get millions of views and think it was easy? Even if they blew up on their first video on that channel, they probably failed on a ton of other channels before they finally made it. So forget everything else in this video if you want, but write this down in your phone or a notebook and read it out loud every day. Every shortcut is a trap. The hardest path you'll face is usually the only one that usually leads where you want to go.
And by hard, I mean impossible. Now there's no comfort. You just choose your burden.
If you want to be a successful, don't choose the easy way. Do it the right way and you will never have to look back and regret it. I'm not a motivation speaker. I'm just a guy who wasted years choosing comfort and shortcuts, and now I'm telling you from experience, it's total waste of time. You won't win that way. Because I started this channel for people who are struggling just like me. I don't want you to waste the best year of your life on shortcut that just shove you right back at square one. Whether it's YouTube or anything else, things take time, and honestly, I'm not just making this video for you. I'm making it for myself because every time I upload a video here and see 0 views, I want to quit. I tell myself I can't do this anymore, but then I say one line to calm myself down. It will take time. I know today feel hard and unfair, but when you finally make it, you're gonna look back and say, if I hadn't gone through those hard times, I would never have reached this point. So stop worrying about why you aren't growing right now. Just accept that this is a hard path and you just have to keep walking. I know this sounds like a big motivation speech, but if you get it, you won't regret it. If you made it this far and related to this, please hit the like button. I might feel stuck right now, but I'm not quitting this time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.